In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy content between spaces in Confluence. If you work across multiple teams or maintain similar documentation in different areas, copying a page between spaces is a fast way to reuse content without starting from scratch. Let's walk through it clearly and make sure everything ends up where it should. Start by opening the page you want to copy in its original space. Look to the top right corner of the page and click the three dots labeled More Actions. From that menu, select Copy. This opens the Copy Page dialog, which is where you'll set all the key details. If you don't see the copy option, you may need the right permissions, so check with your space admin. In the dialog, choose the destination space where the new page should live. You can search for it or pick it from the list. While you're here, select a parent page in the destination space. This keeps your content organized and ensures the new page appears in the correct spot in the page tree, making it easier for teammates to find. You can rename the page if you like. This is optional, but it's helpful to give the page a clear, distinct title so it doesn't get confused with the original. Consistent naming conventions, like appending the target team or project name, can save time later, and avoid duplicate title conflicts in the same space. Before publishing, you can click Edit to adjust the copied content. This is a good moment to update links, attachments, or references so they point to the new space. Double-check any cross-space links, embedded files, and images to make sure they resolve correctly. If your page uses macros, give them a quick look to confirm they render as expected, and review any labels or restrictions to match your destination space's standards. By the way, if you're new to Confluence, I've placed the website link right at the top of the description so you can access it quickly. When everything looks right, click Publish. Your page is now live in the destination space and is independent of the original. That means edits to one won't affect the other, which is perfect for creating tailored versions for different audiences while keeping your documentation structure clean. And that's how you copy content between spaces in Confluence step by step. It's a quick way to reuse documentation while keeping your workspace organized. Thanks for watching.